What's up, YouTube? It's Melodize Marie again. If y'all can hear those cars in the background, I'm actually standing out in front of my house. It's raining and the wind is blowing, and it just feels so good out here. But I was supposed to be doing a shoot today, and the lady canceled because it's raining and it was an outdoor shoot. So I decided to just give you guys a tutorial on a natural. Wanted to give you guys. Y'all can see that. Oh, I can't wait till I get a good cam. Really no sun out here, and y'all, I like went on my back porch and water got on my brand new laptop. Oh my god, I'm getting water in my computer. What the heck is wrong with me? Why am I talking like that? Oh my god, I messed up my screen. Oh my god. Like, for real, like, if anyone knows what I can do, it's like on my screen and you can like see it looks like someone's finger. Can you help me? Or maybe not. Did I fuck it up? Oh, did I say that? I mean, did I mess it up? Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do a tutorial on this look, so if you like it, stay tuned. And also, I know y'all wonder why I keep looking over there. It's a strange man, like, he just standing like he's across from my house, but he's like just standing there, like, you know. And I don't have gentlemen callers come to my home, so, you know, I'm wondering who this fool is. I might have to, you know, get ethnic. Anywho, I'm serious though. But and also I got a few requests on my brows. And so I'm gonna do a tutorial. I do several things. I use several different things for my brows, so I'm gonna give you guys a brow tutorial. Okay, so I'm back, and again, this is the look I'm gonna do. Okay, now after I've applied that, I'm going to apply all that glitters. And this was from the all sexes, all races, all sexes, all ages, all races, all sexes. Did y'all know that that was Max Matcha? Anywho, I'm gonna apply that to my lid, all over my lid. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush, my 217, and in my crease, I'm going to go in with charcoal brown. This is a matte. I'm going to take it just above my crease as well. Okay, a bit better. Let me get closer. Orange. It's this color here. You can also use Rule by MAC. And you're going to go right in this area. That's all you need. Just that little bit right there. Okay. My next color I'm going to go into will be Embark. And this is this dark brown, very deep dark chocolate brown. You can use any dark crease color. That's what I'm going to use. I'm taking the same brush with this. Okay. After that, I'm going to take a fluffy brush. And I'm using my Sonia Cashew fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to go in with this color. This color. Let me take it out because I almost forget. Soft brown. Guys see? And soft brown is a very good blending color. If you're my skin tone, even darker than me, soft brown. Then I'm going to go in with Samoa Silk, which is that peachy color. Okay. With that same brush, just wipe it off. I'm going to go in with vanilla. And vanilla is a nice, y'all look at my pole. Vanilla is a nice highlight color as well. It gives you a very, it has little sparkles in it too, so it gives a little iridescence. And just blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, and blend. How many times I'm going to say blend? That's the name of the game. Okay. As you can see, this is a little bit more deep. So, I want to... Y'all can't see. See what I'm doing? See how it darkens up? Just the crease. Okay. Then okay. Gonna take that all that glitters and go in a little bit more. Now it's time to okay. Now it's time to take your wipe. Just clean up like you would any. Okay. So, add lashes. And then I'm going to use a little bronzer in myself in Comfort, and this is from the Warm and Cozy collection. Cheeks. You are good to go. I am just going to add a little of Moonstone. Moonstone is also lip jelly. It's such a pretty lip jelly, y'all. If y'all don't got Moonstone, y'all need to go get it. It is a universe. If you put it on top of it, wow, love that color. So there you are. Ooh. So there you are, YouTube, the finish. I hope you guys like. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want, me to do anything else, feel free to ask, and I'll make sure to rush it right to you. Until we meet again. Bye bye. I am a nut, I tell you. I'm a nut. It's right now. I feel like singing a song. Rain, rain, go away. Come back another day.